Hey everybody, and welcome back to Safety Detectives, where we break down tech and cybersecurity so everyone gets it. If your Windows PC is running so slow that switching back to paper and pencil sounds faster, then this video is for you. We're gonna walk through the most effective ways to speed it up, and you don't need to be techie. We'll show you exactly what to click, why it works, and how to get results today. So first of all, what's actually dragging down your PC? No, you're not hallucinating. Windows does get slower over time. You open your laptop and it takes 3 years to boot. Apps freeze and your fans go into full jet engine mode, and Chrome throws a tantrum if you dare open more than 3 tabs. And no, restarting doesn't just magically fix everything. The good news, you don't need to be a tech wizard to fix any of this. Sometimes the reason your PC is slow isn't bad settings like we just went through, it's bad stuff running silently in the background. We're talking adware, trackers, crypto miners, things that eat your resources without asking. That's where a good antivirus comes in. Windows Defender is okay, but if you want speed and security, Bitdefender is a better fit. Here's what to do. Open Bitdefender and go to the Protection tab and run a full system scan. This checks for malware, spyware, and hidden junk slowing you down. And now for the real kicker, Bitdefender's OneClick Optimizer. Go to the Utilities section, click OneClick Optimizer, and hit Optimize. And boom, it automatically clears browser junk, system temp files, and registry clutter. All the stuff that silently is draining your performance. And the result? Faster boot times, quicker response, and less system strain. All in just one click. It's like giving your PC a deep clean and a performance boost all at the same time without needing to know what a registry key is. And hey, if you're dealing with a slow, suspicious iPhone 2, then check out our video on how to clean up your iPhone from malware as well. It walks you through 5 easy steps. But if you've got a favorite Windows performance trick of your own, then be sure to drop that down in the comments. We read everything. And if you care about staying safe online, but just not enough to shell out some hard-earned cash right now, then check out our video on the best free antivirus options that don't suck. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.